Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking your niche and a concrete value prop. Teach a prompt trick, demo a model, or explain a concept. Once done, craft a 15-30-second hook that opens with a clear result so viewers stay. Make sure to collect assets now: a short code clip, a webcam intro, and screen recording of the model output. You do this because rapid visuals plus clear payoff increase watch-through, which TikTok's algorithm rewards. Now you produce the main content. Film vertical 9-16 clips and capture the terminal or demo window clearly. Then edit tightly, cut every 1-3 seconds for momentum, layer captions verbatim, and add subtle zooms or overlays to emphasize code or outputs. Once done, pick an attention-grabbing sound and sync your cuts to it. This boosts reach. Make sure to end with a specific CTA, like "try this prompt, follow for more," or check the link in bio so viewers know what to do next. You finish by writing a concise caption with 3 focused hashtags: 1 niche tag, 1 trend tag, and 1 broad reach tag. Once posted, test posting windows like 3-7 p.m. on weekdays and watch retention for 48-72 hours. That data tells you what to repeat. If a video underperforms, reshoot a stronger hook, shorten the intro, or swap the sound immediately. Small changes often fix watch time. You do this repeatedly to iterate toward consistent growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.